In our previous vlog, we visited the home of the Bishop of Pampanga, then went on picking mulberries at my dream farm and had a stop with this Dubai-inspired restaurant. This time, we are continuing our day 2 trip at the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, and let's talk about food experience at Soup Pampanga Restaurant. But before anything else, let me introduce myself. It's me again, the Wayner or Wayne Lee Pardo, your travel and lifestyle vlogger. The other night. So let's ask them how's their experience with the food, no?
Yung mga food na kinain.
Plano talaga namin first, pizza. Apparently, that night, hindi available yung tinta daw. Kinansel na namin. And then we had this kamote chip para ma-search pa ako kasi medyo matagal mo ito. Then we had, yung main course namin is crispy yam po binubuonan. We also had pinakbet with lechong kawali.
And salted tilapia.
Yeah, ang sarap ng salted fried. Oh, wow!
Speaking of another food.
Chicharones.
Pero wala pa rin yung
So yun lang. So how is it? Ano yung
Tapos
favorite?
yung rice namin yung pinag-ooman rice. And so
pinag-ooman
good.
rice.
Oo, it's so good. And then it serves siya sa kawali. Maliit na kawali.
Ano yung favorite mo doon?
Yung crispy yan po pinag-ooman. Ang sarap ng pinag-ooman sauce. Talagang nagmamatch ko.
Yung probinsyano.
Oo, at sa crispy ng ng yan po. Then syempre yung yung pinakbet. And yeah, yung salted fried tilapia.
In terms of price,
I would say
Good for sharing.
and then
very reasonable naman.
pero sa the ambience talagang thumbs up, di ba?
Oh, yung thumbs up ang ambience.
From the experiences of my friends who actually ate here the other night. Kasi right now we don't have enough time, so we're gonna leave and hop to another place, another stopover that we'll be doing. For
shoes on, get up in the mood, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kick out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Think down, call me on my phone, nice tea and a
And so guys, we're here at the biggest McDonald in Asia, which you can only find here at San Fernando, Pampanga. This place is also where you can see the clock tower, and by nighttime it lights up into a purple town for the appreciation of the fandom of the BTS armies. Another must-place visit you shouldn't miss when in San Fernando is the old PNR San Fernando station, inaugurated in 1892, which is now a museum. This is the same station where our national hero Jose Rizal disembarked to meet some recruits for the La Liga Filipina back in 1892. Another historical event that took place here is the last stop of the death march of the Filipino and American soldiers captured by the Japanese during World War II. So guys, nandito tayo sa old PNR train station ng San Fernando, Pampanga. So right now, it was converted into a museum. So this is a must-visit place here at San Fernando, Pampanga. So at the other side, I believe is the connection of the new PNR train line. So imagine lahat ng mga taga San Fernando, Pampanga dito bumaba during the time that it was still working. No? So this is a must-visit place for you guys to really check out. As we our day trip, let's not forget to buy some pasalubong as part of the Filipino travel tradition and bring some local goodies for our loved ones. The city of San Fernando, other than being the capital of Pampanga, has hidden gems that can be enjoyed by both the young and old. San Fernando is not just glittering during the Christmas season with its giant lanterns, but also glitters all year round with things you can do day and night, even on a short trip that can be enjoyed by families and friends. If you like this vlog, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my social media accounts as well as my travel article in Manila Bulletin Lifestyle Online section. And on our next vlog, we are going to visit the 5th largest mall in the Philippines, found in the gateway to Calabar Zone. Because here, if you are surrounded by good people that brings out the best in you, then you're the winner.